Bona Mugabe, daughter to late former president, has divorced Simba Chakor on grounds the marriage has irretrievably broken down. Bona filed papers at the High Court seeking an order of decree of divorce after 9 years of marriage. Tragic end to love story, Bona Mugabe files for divorce after 9 years of marriage. In a surprising turn of events, Bona Mugabe, the esteemed daughter of the former president of Zimbabwe Robert Mugabe, has officially filed for divorce from her husband Simbarash Mutsoni Chakor after 9 years of marriage. While the details surrounding this unfortunate development remain scarce, this publication has received information that suggests that Bona Mugabe and her husband Simbarash's marital union has reached the point of irreparable damage. There also seems to be no prospect of reconciliation and restoration of the couple's marriage. In the case filed under HC 1521/2023, the couple said they have lost all love and affection for one another and had been living apart for more than 9 months. Bona Mugabe moved out of their marital home to her parents' residence in Borodale while Simba remained in Mount Pleasant. Simba and Bona, who were said to be deeply in love at the time, exchanged wedding vows in 2014. Their wedding ceremony, which was no ordinary event, was held at Robert Mugabe's Blue Roof mansion in the leafy suburb of Borodale, Harare. While the exact cost of the wedding has never been disclosed to the public, several sources have estimated that it may have cost more than a whopping $1 million. The wedding was attended by local political and business bigwigs, as well as regional leaders, given Robert Mugabe's local and regional status. The wedding was financed by the couple's family, friends and relatives, as well as contributions from well-known public figures. Now that divorce is on the table for Bona Mugabe and Simba Chakor, the public wonders how they will resolve the issue of property. For years, the couple lived together at a house located on Corn Avenue in Mount Pleasant. The house was a wedding present from Bona's father Robert Mugabe, who once lived in it in 1980 as he prepared to become prime minister. However, after moving to Zimbabwe House and State House, Mugabe gifted the property to his daughter and son-in-law. Simba and Bona were building a mansion which was reportedly valued at $39 million. It remains to be seen how they will deal with the issue of child custody and maintenance given that they have 3 children together.